Risk comes in many forms and has the potential to affect every aspect of an organisation. Management consultancy Risk Evolves understands that pre-empting risks can translate to innovative business opportunities. Paul Brennan has more.
Every minute of every day in every business, highly sensitive data is used, managed and stored. But any breach in that security will have a ripple effect on your business's reputation.
How is your reputation going to be damaged? Will your reputation be damaged? And how will you manage the impact to that? Will your clients want to continue to do business with you? Will your suppliers be happy to sell to you? Thinking about reputation, thinking about data management is absolutely key.
We do hold such highly sensitive data for clients, businesses, personal tax affairs, all that type of information that we hold. So keeping the security of that data is essential. Accountants, I think, rank second when it comes to the most trusted advisor, just below GPs. So for us to protect that data, safeguarding that data is essential.
Risk Evolve specialises in risk management and provides cybersecurity services across many sectors. One of these services includes the implementation of the government-backed Cyber Essentials scheme, which it introduced to Mark's company and continues to manage.
We take a holistic approach with companies by understanding what they do, and we work with them. We want to form a partnership with them rather than just work with them on a single transactional basis to complete one project. We want to work with them to understand what's in their DNA, what their future aims are for growth, what their challenges are around delivering to their clients, and to understand where they see some of their day-to-day challenges.
Helen brings with a huge experience from the corporate world, so she's able to get that information across in a very transparent way and talks to you at your level as well and makes it relevant to your organisation. And then it's easy for us then to explain the process to Helen and then agree what is best practice to move that forward.
The Cyber Essentials scheme interrogates a company's data processes and focuses on 5 key areas: boundary firewalls, secure configuration, access control, malware protection and patch management. It also gives a company certification, reassuring its clients and drawing in more business.
There's been too many headline cases about companies who fail to take and treat data with the respect that we all deserve. Doing simple schemes such as Cyber Essentials or IASME or ISO 27001 will significantly reduce the risk to any organisation regardless of size, sector or complexity.
We're going to the office and check a couple of things.
Labyrinth Logistics helps transport and warehouse companies stay compliant. Having developed its own software compliance tool, Silk Thread, it called on Risk Evolves to assess its cybersecurity control. This ensures the client's data is kept safe.
We are working with bigger and bigger clients, and those clients are asking for higher and higher levels of evidence that we're going to protect their data in the first instance. So they have to trust us to look after their data. So having the Cyber Essentials scheme and now ISO 9001 means that we can demonstrate when we go through tenders that we are doing that properly.
I believe this is a leadership issue. Whether you're a CEO, MD, head of department, you have to lead on this. You have to give your energy and time to this. You have to show that you're genuinely interested in this. We're talking about cultural change here. That's what we're talking about. The world of data we're in now, we need to get a grip on that and deal with it properly. It's cultural change led from the top. And if you don't do that, you're not going to do it properly. And if you don't do it properly, you are at risk.
With the introduction of GDPR in May 2018, all businesses need to swat up on personal data protection and be compliant.
Until we understand and treat data with exactly the same respect and exactly the same focus as we do the more tangible assets, then we will continue to have problems with managing it securely. So our advice to companies is take the basic steps, do Cyber Essentials, and then that will give you the confidence and the freedom to grow and to innovate.